project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Yay!
That's what the human organs look like. Try to arrange these organs inside the body on your own.
But it's so boring. What's this? Where am I supposed to fit it? Do I even have this thingy? I'm totally lost. Do we really need it? Who even cares about organs?
I gotta do this. Easy peasy. Give me a minute. Here goes the heart. Pancreas.
No, it won't do. I'm so sleepy. Gotta ask Sue, she's got some cocoa.
Stomach.
Wow, do I have such a stomach thing too?
Of course you have it. That's how bodies work.
Sue, do you have a few drops of cocoa? I'm so sleepy and bored.
Let's better find out if you have a stomach.
I drink cocoa. Of course I have it. So, Sue?
I don't have time for drinks, Sammy. It's such an exciting task. I'm gonna find out what's inside me.
Yeah? Okay, I gotta try your exciting activity. What do we have here? I'm stronger than this silly sheep. Heart? Liver? Are they gonna notice that I've sneaked away? It's much more fun here. Hold up. Where is here? Where am I? Am I in the mouth?
Sammy starts his journey from the mouth.
What are those black creatures? So that's what caries looks like. Whoa!
Caries makes holes in your teeth if you don't clean them.
Ugh, you'd better brush your teeth, guys. These tooth bugs are scary. Wait, if I'm in a mouth... there must be a tongue. Help! Run, run, run! It was a near miss. I'd better get out of here if I don't want to be eaten like a candy.
Sammy's continuing his journey in the human body. These are the lungs. They look like small bags and they help you breathe.
Why is it so freezing cold here? I should have listened to Sue and put on a hat. Help! I wasn't born to fly. I like being on the ground. Put me down! Oh no, my glasses are gone. No one will recognize me without them. What a mess.
When you breathe, your lungs fill with oxygen. It gives your body energy. They also push out bad air.
Woohoo! I'm Sammy again, the most famous slime. And now, I also know a lot about the lungs.
Sammy's on his way to the next organ.
Wow! Is it a party or what? I like this place way more.
Sammy's inside the heart. It's like a small but very strong pump that sends blood all around your body.
Wow, that's so lit! The heart is very hardworking, even more than me. Let's help the heart.
What's the next organ Sammy will visit?
Whoa, I already like this place. So cool!
Sammy's in the stomach. It helps you digest food.
So that's where all the food you swallow gets first. Huh? Hold up.
Here's your order. Extra stomach acid. Enjoy.
Ken? What are you doing here? I really didn't expect to see you here. What happens to all this food after it gets to the stomach?
First, it stays in our cafe. The stomach mixes the food with strong acids to break it down. These acids also help the stomach get rid of any bad germs that might be in the food. And then, boom!
Huh? What do you mean, boom?
The food continues its journey to the intestines.
Oh, I got it. No need to go into detail.
Before moving on, the food gives away all the good stuff. Sammy's ready to travel to the next organ, the liver.
Wow, This place is kind of magical. Looks like a laboratory of a potion master.
The liver works like a superhero, keeping you healthy and cleaning your blood.
I never knew the liver was so important. We can't live without it. The liver removes bad stuff from your body. Like a garbage collector. It's also a large storage box for energy and vitamins. Amazing!
The liver helps you heal cuts by making proteins to stop bleeding and fights off germs to keep you from getting sick. Sammy, where are you heading now? You are visiting the kidneys. 2 bean-shaped filters. They clean your blood.
They help your body get rid of waste by making urine.
They keep the right amount of water in your body, monitoring it all the time. If there's waste and extra water, they send them to your bladder. They also help make other important things, like red blood cells. These cells carry oxygen and help keep your bones strong.
I think the kidneys take me for waste. Or extra water? Help! They're washing me down!
I think Sammy's finishing his journey. I hope it was helpful.
What? I'm in the classroom. Guys, I'll tell you something wild.
Now that you know everything, it's time for a test. Don't use cheat sheets. I'm watching.
Test? I'm not ready. We've just started this topic.
I can't write this test. I'm made of plastic. I don't know anything.
Watch me ace it. The human body is very clever, and all its organs are important. Let me think. From the mouth, I got into the lungs. After that, I got into the stomach and met Ken there. Then, I visited the liver and the kidneys. Here we go. All done. Easy peasy. Sue, gotta tell you a story.
Sammy, I'm done too. Look, all the organs in place.
Anyway, you were right. The human body is fun.
Told ya. Guys, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. See you soon.
Bye-bye, friends. Subscribe to our channel.
I thought
That is not a phone. That is a pager. Doctors carry them around in their pockets so that they can be sent messages. You cannot talk to it. You have to read the messages that have been sent to you. Look.
Oh, yes, I got a message. Dear Dr. Rebecca, I need to see you. Meet me in the high street, Dr. Finley. Oh, right, I gotta meet this Dr. Finley. See you later.
Wait, that is me. I sent you the message.
Oh, right, I see. Oh, well, hello, Dr. Finley.
Dr. Rebecca, we need you to come to the hospital. There are lots of patients coming in today and they all need looking after. Now you'll need... Oh, that is my pager. Oh dear, emergency. I have to go and see a man about a horse.
Oh.
Yes, he has fallen off. Just banged his arm, but I better go and check him over. Okay, I'll see you at the hospital. Taxi!
Okay, Doctor. Oh, hold on, I don't know where it is. Oh, dear. Looks like I'm gonna have to find my way to the hospital by myself. I'll ask someone in this shop. Hello?
Oh, hello. How can I help you?
Well, I was wondering, could you tell me where the hospital is, please?
The hospital, yes. Now, oh, no.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Excuse me, are you a doctor?
Oh, yes.
Ah, well, I wonder if you could help me. You see, I've got this terrible pain.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Oh, hold on. My pager. Oh, it's from Dr. Finlay. I've left my bag in the shop. Could you bring it, please? Bag? Oh, yes, there it is.
There you are, doctor.
Thanks very much.
Doctor, the pain.
Oh, yes, of course. Okay, where does it hurt?
Ah, well, you see, it hurts on the side. When I was leaning over the counter, oh, there it is again.
Okay, let me examine you. Open wide, please. Say R.
Ah.
Say E. I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey? Oh, no, you can close your mouth now. It's fine.
Oh, so what do you think, doctor?
I think... I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what to do next either.
That's not good.
Oh, dear. What do I do? Oh, yes, I remember, do you? When doctors want to know what's going on inside a patient's body, they use a stethoscope to listen. Right, we need a stethoscope. But I don't have one. Oh, Dr. Finlay's bag, of course.
Will it hurt, doctor?
Hurt? No, I'm just going to put it on your body to see what I can hear.
Oh.
Right. Ooh. Ticking.
Ticking?
I can hear it ticking.
Ticking.
Right. Let me check in my book of medical problems. T. Trapped wind. Tummy ache. Ticking. If you hear ticking inside a patient's body, check the patient's pocket.
My pockets. Oh, what's this? I forgot the alarm clock. I put it there this morning. That's what's causing me the pain. The knobbly bit must have been pressing into my side. That's what makes me up in the morning.
Oh, I bet it does.
Well, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Most grateful.
Oh, actually, could I borrow borrow your alarm clock, please?
What's this? Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're very welcome.
Cheery bye.
Bye. Right, so where is it? Still trying to find the hospital.
9:30.
I can't see the hospital anywhere. Oh, what's that? Look, there's someone waving from inside that house. Oh, I think she wants me to go over. Okay, coming. Hello?
Upstairs, Doctor. Ah, hello, Doctor. Come in, come in.
Hello?
Hello, Doctor. My name is Bonnie. I see you passing in the street in your blue uniform, and I thought you might be able to help me. You see, I'm in some terrible pain.
Oh, dear. Well, hello, Bonnie. I'm Dr. Rebecca. It's not usual to stop doctors in the street to cure people, but I'll see what I can do.
Oh, well, sorry to stop you, but I thank you so much for coming upstairs.
Not a problem. Now, where does it hurt?
In the kitchen.
Eh? No, where does it hurt on your body?
Oh, see, I thought you were asking me something else. Well, I hurt my knee. I hurt it with some custard.
You can't hurt your knee with custard.
You can if you slip on it. I slip on some custard in the kitchen and me bang me knee on the table. And now you see, when I try if you walk, aye.
Oh, yes. That doesn't look good.
No, especially what with this dodgy knee. Can you help me, Doctor?
I don't know. Oh, dear. She really can't walk very far with a bad knee. What are we going to do? We need to find something that can help her walk. But what? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Doctors give their patients crutches to help them be steady on their feet. We need to find some crutches. But I don't have any crutches. Oh, I wonder. Ooh. Well, this is a big bag. Fantastic. Here you go, Bonnie. This should help you be steady on your feet.
Yes, thank you, Doctor. That is much better.
Job done.
Only thing is, though, what with there being only one crutch, I keep walking round in a circle,
Oh, dear.
which is great fun, but...
Not very useful. Hold on. Here you go. Here's another crutch to go with that crutch.
Oh, yes, Doctor, this is wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey, whee.
Mind how you go?
Yes, of course. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Right, I just need to get to the hospital. You wouldn't happen to know where it is, would you?
No, sorry.
Oh, dear. No one seems to know where the hospital is. Oh, well. Thanks anyway, Bonnie. Take care.
Bye-bye, Doctor. Thanks for stopping by. Nice blue uniform.
Oh, thank you.
Don't forget, you can stop by any time. I got 2 knees, you know.
Thanks, bye.
Bye-bye now. Nice girl, nice girl.
Still looking for that hospital?
No, Paul Pie.
Hello? Can you tell me where the hospital is, please?
The hospital. No.
Oh, I didn't think so. Never mind.
Yes, I can.
Hey? Oh, that's great. Where is it exactly?
Right, yeah, you just see it alleyway on the corner over there. We go down there, and then it's right at the lights.
Sorry, where?
Oh, just there.
Oh, I can't see where you're pointing.
Up there.
Oh, your arm keeps flopping over.
Ah, yes, I know. I think it's some kind of sickness. It keeps on happening. Look, there it goes again. This one's all right, though. Oh, no. That one's gone, too.
I wonder what caused that. What's your job?
I'm a waiter. It's not going very well. And there's your dinner, so oops, dropped it again. I have to do a lot of sweeping up.
I can imagine.
I don't think that'll be much good as a waiter like this.
And if you can't show me where the hospital is, I won't be able to help my patients.
Well, maybe you can do something to try and fix it.
Well, I can certainly try.
Great.
His arms keep flopping over, and we need to stop that from happening. But how? Oh, I remember, do you? Doctors often use bandages to keep bones straight and strong. That's it. Right. That should do the trick.
Wow, that's great. This bandage is holding my bones firmly in place, both arms.
I'm so pleased for you, but I still don't know the way to the hospital.
Hey? Oh, sorry, I was getting so excited. The hospital. Right, so it's down there, left of the lights, right at the tree and up the alleyway.
Okay, great. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Doctor.
Let's play.
Ah, Dr. Rebecca, there you are. I've been painting you.
Oh, I know. I got all your messages. It's just I couldn't find the hospital. Sorry, I'm late.
Well, you brought my bag. That is good. Ah, my medical book. I put that on the bookcase.
Great.
Now, we've been getting lots of calls from people who needed our help. A man with a sharp pain in his side, a lady who hurt her knee, and some other fellow with a real problem with a floppy arm.
Good news. All those patients, I've seen them, and they're all better. All of them.
Well, I never. That is very good indeed.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, hold on. What is this? Excuse me. It looks like we might have a patient after all. Hello, Doctor. Oh, hello, Doctor. You found it then?
Yes, eventually.
Great. Wonder if you can help me with something. Achoo!
Oh, you've got a cold. Oh, well, I can fix that, all right.
No, I've broken something.
Is it your arm?
No. You see, I was in the hole digging away, and all of a sudden I had a great big sneeze. I fell over on the side, and I broke it.
Oh.
Can you fix it?
Oh, dear. We're doctors. I don't think we mend signs. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. The sticky tape. Here, give me a sign. There you go. Good as new. I knew it would come in useful.
Thank you, Dr. Rebecca. And I think I better give you something for your cold. Oh, yes, please, Doctor.
Well, we did it. We helped all those patients and even this man with his sign. But we would never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know.
Doctors use stethoscopes to listen inside patients' bodies. They give them crutches to help them be steady on their feet.
Oh, yes, doctor, this is wonderful.
And they often use bandages to keep bones straight and strong.
Right. That should do the trick. I think it's time we went home. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Bye.
Let's play.
Oh, not again. Oh, Rebecca, you shocked me.
I know. But Sid, do you know that sometimes you can cure hiccups by surprising someone?
Well, you certainly gave me a surprise.
So?
Oh, the hiccups, they're gone.
I'm glad I could help, Sid. It's what doctors do.
So tell me about your adventure. What was it like?
Oh, it was fantastic. Playing doctors was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
I would like to play Kings and Rule the Land. I would like to wave to my people like this. I love playing chess. This is how I mix the cake. I like to play bombs and ride a really big tractor. My tractor sounds like this.
It's fun to play. Start playing today.
Let's play.